Hey everybody, so I wanted to do another update on the 2023 Halloween group build. I was doing the Monsters living room. I've gotten quite a bit done. There's only a little bit left to get done. Um, but I wanted to do an update. Wanted to do one actually quite a while ago, but didn't end up doing it. So here it is now. I did light up the set. You can see the TV in the background, or right here. I put two different LEDs in there. One changes colors, so it goes from red, blue, green, and there in between and everything like that. And then there's also a flicker light in there as well to give it, just that kind of flickering look that a TV would give. There's one in the fireplace in the back, and then I do have one on each candle. There's a candlestick there and a candlestick there. So, has a nice light up scene. It's all ran by one battery. Before I turn the lights on, let me get a better look at the TV. I don't know if that's supposed to be Herman or Frankenstein in there. I don't know if they're... It looks just like Herman, so I'm assuming it's him on the TV, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. But right now I just got Herman and Grandpa done. Let me turn some lights on. So here with the lights on, you can actually see some more detail. And I'm not going to go super in detail in it all. I want to save it for the final. But you can see Herman here. He's more green than what they showed him, and Grandpa's a little bit more blue than what they showed him. I didn't get that palish color as much, but it's close enough. Herman's sitting in an electric chair, and I kind of wanted to get that green enamel look that you'd see in the old scary movies, where they would actually have the doctor's offices and stuff have that green enamel stuff. And at the bottom, you can see the cords going to the feet and everything. There's a good angle for the carpet. I just dry brushed the carpet and did a tan and green look. And Eddie's pillow there, which he's going to be sitting on, red. And Lily's coffin chair. And Grandpa hanging upside down, and a bunch of spider webs on the back. And the picture of home in the background. So everything's still lit up, everything's powered on, but you can see you don't really see it very well with all the lights. And there's it off. So what I have to still get done, I have to do Lily. And out of all the characters, she's the one on this that does not look like the real one. Because that does not look like Lily at all. And then she is knitting, so her hands, I kept it separate. I'll glue it on later. They were smart. They had the seam right where the skin would be. So it ain't like you really got to fill it in like some seams or sand it. So I'll paint that all separate and glue it on there. Eddie and his little stuffed animal, I think it was Wolf Wolf or Wolfie or whatever. But it is supposed to look like a werewolf. I mean, he was part wolf, I would imagine, for the monsters. He looks more like Eddie in the show than Lily does, but he's a little different. He don't look exactly like it. I think out of all of them, Grandpa was the closest. And I got two mice. This one's on its back wanting a belly rub, I'm assuming, because I can't imagine them putting a dead mouse in there. And when I was fixing all the stuff and filling it, I left that seam there because I thought he was like this. And I just didn't realize what that was for. He's sitting belly up next to Lily's coffin chair. So I think I need to hide that. I think I need to do a better job of that than that, because he's right out front too. And then there's another one that sits behind her coffin, and I think he sits back there begging, and the same issue there. And it shouldn't be hard. I think I just need to file it down a little bit. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. But that's all I got to do left on it. And this one will be done. It was a little bit more of a challenge than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be super simple, super quick. But with all the different colors and different textures in this that you have to cover, you have a lot of different setups and got to get different paints out and all that stuff. And you know, when you're doing just one figure, you know, you only got maybe 5 colors. Well, you got a lot of colors. And so then you got a ton of paint sitting out and everything like that. But it's still a good kit. It's still a blast. I'm really glad I got it. But and also I'm really happy to see all the people that did join the group build. Today is the 19th, so halfway through, a little past halfway through October. So running out of time. I will definitely have this done before Halloween. I might have it done tonight, but I don't know. I do have a couple other kits. One that I haven't even showed you that I was working on, and another one that I have showed you that has a big update that I'll have to have the videos coming out soon. I kind of took a little bit of a break, watching everybody that I've seen on YouTube on the group build, but I have been taking a little bit of an absence on posting videos like I used to. So everybody who's still subscribed, still watching, thank you so much for sticking around. Maybe once the cold weather months come around, I will be more posting videos. But it's been so nice and been out doing so many other things, making up for lost time, that I've been working on models when I get home, and the last thing I want to do is dig out the camera and all that. So, but I still been working on kits, still been really enjoying it. So for everybody out there, I hope you guys have a great night, and hopefully enjoy this build. And it should be maybe next week that there'll be a final on this one. So until then, have a good one. Goodbye.